Hey there, home cooks! Today, I'm going to show you how to whip up a quick and delicious Palak Paneer. It's a classic Indian dish that's all about the vibrant spinach and creamy paneer. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need fresh spinach, paneer, onion, garlic, ginger, tomato, and a bunch of spices. Got everything? Awesome! Now, let's start with the spinach. Blanch it in boiling water for just 1 to 2 minutes. Then transfer it to ice water to stop the cooking process. Easy, right? Next, we're gonna blend that blanched spinach into a smooth puree. Just a quick whirl in the blender and you're good to go. Now, let's cook the base. Heat some oil in a pan, toss in some cumin seeds, and saute chopped onions, garlic, and ginger until they turn golden. Smells amazing already. Add in the chopped tomatoes and our star spices, turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder. Don't forget a pinch of salt. Cook until the tomatoes soften and break down. Time for the spinach puree. Stir it in and let it simmer for a few minutes. The kitchen is smelling divine. Now for the paneer. Gently fold in those cubes and let them cook for about 5 minutes. We're almost there. Finish it off with a sprinkle of garam masala and a squeeze of lemon juice. Garnish with fresh coriander for that final touch. And there you have it. Serve your Palak Paneer hot with some naan or rice. Looks delicious, right? If you enjoyed this quick recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe